Welcome to OTAN, your Outreach and Technical Assistance Network.
If you're looking for a fun way to help students improve their writing skills, then you'll want to take a look at our entry, NoRedInk. Students learn grammar, mechanics, and usage by using a curriculum based on their favorite celebrities, friends, TV shows, and more. They receive immediate feedback and unlimited practice. Assignments, quizzes, and diagnostic tests can be set up in minutes, and grading is automatic. Teachers can set up different classes and have students enroll in their class using a classroom code for each class. Teachers can then follow student progress and scaffold learning by assigning additional practice to struggling students. This is the NoRedInk website, where you can sign up for a free account. NoRedInk has both a basic, free version and a premium version. Basic is quite comprehensive and sufficient for most classrooms. However, premium users have access to more than 250 additional topics, monthly data-driven reports, and an administrative account. After setting up your class and assignments, students can enroll using your class code. Students can then take a diagnostic test, which you assign, and they can see immediately how they did. You are also able to see how each student did. Students can then go back and complete small mini-units until mastery is reached. What I really like about NoRedInk is how it is personalized for each student. I put in some of my friends at OTAN, and their names were used. Here's Penny Pearson from OTAN. You will be able to follow each student's progress. Be sure to check out our NoRedInk activity for step-by-step instructions. I'm sure you're going to like NoRedInk.
Thank you, and as a reminder, OTAN supports California adult education agencies who are integrating, improving, and maintaining technology use in the classroom. Always stay informed by visiting the OTAN website at www.otan.us, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.